This is an unboxing of a ASUS Vivobook Pro, bought from Amazon for 600 quid. It's got 16 gig RAM, 5600H processor, and 512 gig hard drive SSD. And all that. So this is how it comes. It's got something on the front. Importer name. This is how it gets delivered from Amazon. 600 quid. Should be good. So OLED screen. What's this? Alright. So that's where's the thing? Underneath. Keep the box. Oh, there's a power cable. What's this? The charger. It's a nice little nifty charger. And we have some ASUS stuff. Search. You got a little, what's this? What's in here? Open that. There's something in there. Is it some kind of card or something? Stickers. Alright then, put the stickers back in. So you get a load of little stickers. I thought it might be a memory card or something. Something useful. And now for the, it should be brand new. Yeah, not second hand. So let's have a look. Brand new. Oh. Ooh. You want to put it on the box or? What's this sticker? Let's have a look. OLED. Oops. So it's got OLED screen. What's the resolution? I think it's 2880 by something 1400. So it's higher than 1440p. It's got a high resolution screen. First impressions are, what's the weight? Let's have a look. It's quite light. It's got a little ASUS. You don't get much with it, you just get the charger. That's all you get. And a few stickers. We got a little instruction manual. There's no instruction manual. What's this? Open up the screen, let's see what it looks like. You're gonna leave that on. And that peels off. Shall I peel it off? Or should we leave it on for now? Yes. Power it on for the first time. Wait. What's this at the front? What's that say? Is it a sticker? Yeah. Leave it on. So what's it say? Oh, you got these little stickers there as well. They've been stuck on. Ryzen 5600H. AMD Radeon. What's that? Phantom. I don't know what that is. Eh? What's that? The keys. First impression, the keys are good. Responsive. Screen is small, but it is a £600 laptop, not a £1,600. Trackpad is big, isn't it? It's got big real estate. So, shall we turn it on for the first time? Turn it on, let's see what happens. Yeah, hold it down. Dead on arrival. Plug it in. Charger. So Nice with a dead battery. Okay, so let's see what it says here. Premium download. My what's it got this? In search of incredible. Oh, it tells you what to do. US. Oh look, these are the instructions. We're gonna need my glasses. So we're gonna plug it in and see if it comes on. I think you need to charge it for. Yeah, it's arrived. There's no charge. Should have some charge. Batteries need charge. So I've had a quick look at the instructions and supposed to charge it for 3 hours before you first use it. So let's not used it. I'm gonna put that back down. Yeah, put that back down and then plug in the charger and leave it for 3 hours. Oh, 1, charge your notebook. 2, lift open the panel, press the power button. Charge the notebook PC for 3 hours before using it in battery mode for the first. Oh, so you can use it in with its power mode. So we can use it, yeah, once you're plugged in. You want trying to find the charging hole. It's on the other side. Yes, that side. Just leave it on charge for. Is it charging? That charging port. Let's have a look. Right at the end, opposite. Yeah, that is the charging port. Have you switched it on? Is it on? Okay, so it must be charging then. So that was the unboxing. Let's see if it comes on. Hold it for longer. Oh, I saw something. Did you see it? It said ASUS. Is that light on? Is that on? What happened? Did we just turn it off? Right, let's try it again. Let go. There we go. ASUS insert. Oh yeah, we must turn it off. So it's now starting for the first time. ASUS Vivobook. It's a 5800H, 16 gigabytes of RAM. Internal no external extra GPU. This was it discrete GPU. So it's using the 5600H GPU. Should be powerful enough. 16 cores, 16 gig RAM, 5. Ooh. This is what it's like when you start it. Go through the process.